Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So friends, in today's video I will show you my new room and in my new dormitory. So I have moved into my new dormitory. In previous videos I show you guys my previous dormitories that I lived there. So in today's video I will show you that which facilities are here in new dormitory. So it's my room 818, and this video is very beneficial for those students who are coming to Turkey for study, and they will know about the dormitories facilities and this kind of thing. So I post updates on my Instagram. My Instagram username is Hamdard1, and link is in description, so you can know about the new updates that I'm posting on Instagram. So follow me there, and let's start the video and let me show you my new room. So as we have entered to my room, so let's on the lights. It's our main door, and as you enter to the main door, there are cabinets. These cabinets are for the shoes, as you can see here. So there are 4 parts. You can put 4 pair of shoes here, or something else that you want to put here. And after that, there are 4 cabinets. As you are seeing, this is for first, second, and third, fourth. And this is also very useful, as you can see it from here. Here is also very big place for the thing that you want, like clothes or something else that you can put here. And upside there is also place for the for anything you want, you can use it. So these are very good for us. In last of my, if you watch my videos, in that dormitory the cabinets were not that much big, but in this dormitory it's very beautiful that we are having big cabinets for shoes and also for clothes. So after that, if we come here, if you see, there is mirror first. This mirror, you can like boys are laving their hair and something, so you can style your hair or something if you want, so you can use it. And here, if you see, here is a place for baths. You can take the bath here. Here is a toilet, from, as you can see from here. And after that, there is also like wash basin. So let me say something you that in this dormitory the big benefit is that the 3 places are outside. In last dormitory that I have moved in here, that was a little bit different. Like the bath place, also the toilet and the wash basin was in the same room. So that was a problem. So we are students were having problems there. So in this dormitory, there this is the very good point that everything is like outside, and you can use anything any place that you want. So 3 students can use 3 different places in one time. So this is also very good, big benefits of this dormitory. So when you come here, here is the control remote, if you can see in the videos, and the air condition system is upper, that I will show you if you come here. And these places are for your books. You can put your books here. This is for your books and also anything you want, but this is bookshelf, and also this is also for books that you can use it for study. This is studying room. This is our studying room. When you enter, there are the cabinets, there are the toilet, bed place, also wash basin, mirror, and everything. And this place is for studying. We are saying it's studying room, and there are 4 desks for 4 students, and there are also plugs that you can use it for your computer or for your mobile phone to charge. So you can use that place also. So this is also very beautiful. From here, now it's like this dormitory is up in the hill, and the electricity in these kind of, there are no homes or houses, so that you can see. Therefore, it's a little bit dark here, but maybe in next videos I will show you at the day. It's night time there. Here, so it's also very beautiful. From here you can see the city, very beautiful uphill, and also lighting hills there. So it's also very beautiful view from here. So these are the main things that we are having. So now I will show you my room that where we are like sleeping, and this is our sleeping room. So come in. In sleeping room, when you enter, so first let me show you, there is also air conditioner, and you can watch that air condition too, if you can see it in the video. Show that air condition also. You can show that air condition. You can see there is also air condition system. And here if you see, there is also air conditioning system in the room. So in studying room and also in the sleeping room there are two air conditioning systems, so which are very helpful, and it's a central system, so it have a remote control from outside. You can use it cold or hot, any kind of weather you want to have, or any kind of feeling you want to have, so you will use it like for that cold or anything. Here we are having a refrigerator as always. Everything is new because this dormitory is new, so we are having new refrigerator in this dormitory. My refrigerator doesn't have anything, just cola and water, because I just moved in yesterday, so we don't have anything now. And if you see, I didn't live in this kind of dormitory. It is like what I say, it's two sleeping bed and one, so it's two in one, and I didn't use this kind of bed, so I'm a very like I didn't use it, and it's very weird for me, because I didn't when someone is here, so it makes lots of noises. But I will try myself to be better with this kind of system. So two and also two and two. So this is my first time that I'm living with 6 students. Originally this dormitory was for 4 students, but because of the high prices of the homes and aparts outside, so the dormitory officials tried to make another bed. This was not in our room, so they put it, now it's 6 room students, but it was made for 4 students. As you can see it from outside, that there is 4 desks for 4 students, so it was officially made for 4 students. But now because of the prices outside, that rent prices are very high, so they want to try to help the students, so it's now for 6 students. My one of my friends came today, so now me and that guy is in the room, but we will have 6 students in one room. So this room is also like, it's not that big, but we will try to manage. And if we see, and next to every bed you can see the plugs. This is my bed, it's number 3, I'm in number 3, so thankfully that I'm in number 3, because it's we are very near to the plug. So every bed have a plug near to that, and also extra plugs are also here, that someone can use it. And from room we also having a very beautiful view. It's night time, that I cannot show you guys, but maybe in next videos I will try to show you guys, but in this video I cannot show, because it's darker outside and nothing is you cannot see anything. So this is also from room and study room. There we are having 2 windows there that you can see, and you can enjoy outside view. So this is our room, like 6 beds we will live. This is my first time that I'm living with 6 students. Normally we are having 3 students room. In every dormitory that I lived in 5 or 6 different dormitories, and every room just we are having 3 students, but this time we are having 6 students, so lots of crowd in one room. But let's see and let's manage that. So let me conclude everything. 6 beds, rooms, refrigerator, air conditioning system, 4 desks for 4 students, but 2 students they were extra, so they don't have the studying room. So this is the like a little bit weird for them, because they will not have this advantage, but they can use our desk also. So this is for 4 students, and also 6 cabinets. 4 of them are really big, it's very good, but 2 of them are small. And we are having toilet, washing basin, and if you want to take the bath, so that's extra, that's outside. 3 students can use 3 different places in one time, so that's also. And also there is place for shoes. We didn't have cabinet for shoes in the last dormitory, so this is also very beautiful. So you can see, let's show that that place also. This kind of dormitory we are having. So hopefully you guys watch it fully. And this is our dormitory, as you can see. So guys, this was the video that I wanted to make it, because on Instagram, if you are not following me, just go there, Hamdard1, that's my profile link, profile username, and link is in the description, Hamdard1. So you can follow me on Instagram. I'm posting every day there, like I'm really active in Instagram, but in YouTube I will try to be active. And I will show you guys dormitories in Turkey. I will show you guys academic places in Turkey. My main focus is on to motivate you guys for study. I love to study and I love to motivate other people to come here. Turkey is a beautiful place. There are really good universities in Turkey, and the government is also providing really good help for the international students. There are a lot of opportunities of studying. You can work also. So this is a beautiful place for study. So guys, this was today's video. Hopefully you guys got a lot of information from these videos. So this is our new room and new dormitory that and in the next video I will try to show you guys outside of the dormitory, that which kind of restaurant that we are having food there, and also about the washing room and about the everything that we are having outside of the dormitory. So I will try to show you guys that places also. So hopefully you guys got information. If you got, please like the video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe my channel. Follow my Instagram. My username is Hamdard1 and link is in the description. So see you in another video. Have a good time and goodbye.